Autumn's arrival. Some people call this time of year fall, and others call it autumn. You can call it either one because they both mean the same thing, a season of change and fun. Autumn is when the leaves on the trees change their colors. They turn from green to beautiful shades of gold, orange, and red. It looks like a friendly artist has come along and painted all the trees just for us. The air starts to get a little colder in the autumn. We begin to wear our cozy jackets and warm sweaters when we go outside to play. We go back to school in the autumn. Our teacher sometimes asks us to make leaf collections. We gather different kinds of leaves and make a beautiful display of them for everyone to see. Autumn is the time when old friends get back together after the summer. We talk about all the fun things we did on our summer vacations and share our exciting stories. Halloween comes in the autumn. We get to dress up in all sorts of costumes. Some of them are spooky and scary, and some of them are silly and funny. We go from door to door and say, "Trick or treat," and our kind neighbors give us delicious candies and treats. We wear masks on our faces, and we have so much fun pretending to be different characters. The autumn winds start to blow, and they whistle through the trees. The wind blows the colorful leaves right off the branches until the trees have bare branches, ready for their winter sleep. My friends and I have a lot of fun playing outside before the cold winter comes and leaves us shivering. We play football and soccer at school, and the crisp autumn air feels so good. After school, we ride our bikes through the big piles of dry leaves. The leaves go flying through the air as we ride through them, making a satisfying crunching sound. I like to jump in the big piles of leaves, but then my parents just have to rake them up all over again.